Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset a Midea air conditioner, clear temporary errors and restore the system when it is not responding properly. The good news here is that most of the reset procedures only take a few minutes and do not require any kind of tools. So without further ado, let's begin. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to simply turn the air conditioner completely off, and for that you can just simply use the remote, and on top of it you will find this type of yellow button with the help of which you can basically turn it off. After doing so, you just have to also disconnect the power to the unit completely. You can either unplug it or switch off the dedicated breaker. Now after doing so, you just have to do nothing but to just simply leave the unit without any power for at least 5 minutes minimum, and you can also just take it to about 10 minutes. So this allows the control board to fully shut down, and it will also clear many of the temporary communication and sensor related faults. Now once you have done that, you just have to restore the power and turn the air conditioner on. Now let it run for a few minutes and then you just have to check whether the original problem has disappeared. Now in most of the cases, the error messages caused by the temporary glitches are resolved at this particular stage. But in your case, if the issue still persists, what you can do next is you can just simply check for a hidden reset button. Now, on some of the Midea models, you are going to find a small reset button among all these buttons on top of it. So you can just simply press and hold the reset button, or in your case, it might be a manual button, or if both of these buttons are not available on your unit, you can just simply use this particular on and off button. So you need to simply press and hold these buttons for about a few seconds in order to restart the system, and the exact location varies on the model, which is why checking behind the front panel is really very important for you. So that's how you can basically reset it. Thank you.